So here's how to fix launch error 30005, couldn't start the game, which is an easy and tight sheet error. So first what you want to do is open the File Explorer and then go to the C drive, Program Files 86, and in here you want to look for easy and tight sheet EOS folder, and then go inside or open the folder. And then if you see a easy and tight sheet _eos.sys or easy and tight sheet.sys file, you want to right click on it and then click delete. And now you can simply close this and then go back to your game or your launcher, for example Steam in here. So if you're trying to start a game on Steam and you're getting that error, you want to go to the game, right click on it, go to properties, and then installed files, and in here you want to click on verify the integrity of game files, and then you want to wait for it to finish this process, and then you can try to launch the game again, and that should generally solve the problem. Now also keep in mind that if you're running another game which is protected by the same and tight sheet, which is easy and tight sheet, and then you're trying to run another game which is also protected by that and tight sheet, so you want to make sure to close the first game. Sometimes it might be still running in the background and you're trying to run the other game, which can cause the error. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.